I'm Dr. Sunitha T, working as a consultant obstetrician and cosmetic gynecologist with 16 years of experience. I practice at Madilu Multi-Speciality Clinic, Vidyaranyapura, Yelahanka, which is located at North Bangalore. First, we talk about do's of hymenoplasty. Soon after the procedure, keep the area clean and hygienic. Second thing, take the medications as prescribed by your doctor on time. Don't take a bath for 2 to 3 days. And also, if there is a swelling or a pain, keep a cold or warm compressors to get relief. Now we talk about don'ts of hymenoplasty. Do not have a smoking and alcoholism for 3 to 4 weeks. Do not go to gyms or weightlifting for 3 to 4 weeks. And avoid sexual intimacy for 6 to 8 weeks. And also inserting tampons and menstrual cups, avoid it for 6 to 8 weeks. Going to a public pools or public toilets and as well as saunas, avoid it for 6 to 8 weeks.